we'll guide you through how to create subtasks in Asana. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to Asana on your desktop and log into your account. Navigate to the project where you want to create subtasks. Click on the task you want to add subtasks to. A task details panel will open on the right side of the screen. In the task details, you'll see a section that says Subtasks. Click on Add Subtask. Now you can start typing the name of your subtask in the field provided. Once you've entered the subtask name, press Enter to save it. You can add as many subtasks as you need by repeating this process. If you want to assign the subtask to someone, click on the profile icon next to the subtask name and select a team member. You can set a due date for the subtask by clicking on the calendar icon and picking a date. Subtasks can also have descriptions, attachments, and comments, just like regular tasks. To add a description, click on the subtask and then click on the description field to type in your details. For attachments, click the paperclip icon and upload your file. You can also add comments in the comments section to provide more context or instructions. Once you've configured everything to your needs, your subtasks will automatically be saved under the main task. Subtasks are a great way to break down larger tasks into more manageable pieces, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.